Welcome to On-Screen Learning, how to support safe and enjoyable use of the fitness facility. As a fitness professional, it is important to ensure that all clients enjoy a positive experience whilst using the fitness facilities and are safe at all times. In order to help provide this high level of service to clients, it is necessary to carry out all the relevant daily health and safety checks required and continually observe the gym floor during the hours of operation to assist in identifying the following: air conditioning units being in good working order, equipment fully serviced with any out-of-order machines reported, all equipment and floor areas cleaned regularly, water fountains, bottles of water available to maintain hydration levels, cleaning solutions and materials present for clients to wipe down equipment after use, equipment and open areas designed to allow for client comfort, personal space, and no overcrowding of participant numbers, ethical behavior and client etiquette introduced and followed, suitable levels of gym music volume, fire exits cleared of no obstructions, first aid boxes fully stocked, notices and company information professionally written and displayed visibly around the fitness facility. Lockers and changing room facilities are serviced and available close by. In addition to the above-mentioned key elements that all contribute to supporting the safe and enjoyable use of fitness facilities for clients, it is also imperative to present a fully inclusive environment that promotes equality and diversity and considers the differing needs and expectations of all clients. Equally, staff members must be fully qualified and trained on all aspects of the job role, to include effective completion of client consultations and screenings, and can prescribe individualized, unique, and challenging exercise programs that will motivate and inspire clients to achieve their goals and enjoy attending the facilities regularly.